Today, I wanted to share something that has been on my mind lately. Most of us grew up without the hustle and craziness of social media, though it has been a blessing to connect and interact with all of you, especially those who have been encouraging and following our off-grid journey. I have noticed how easily social media can lead us to a sense of inadequacy and comparison, and how it influences us on our thoughts, perception of life, and how we live it. Especially when people share and post their different lifestyles and make us wonder if we chose the correct path or if we chose a path of life not well lived. When we left the city, we thought that life would be easier, but of course, what is life without hurdles? Most of our friends thought that we were missing out on life by deciding to leave the city for bush life, for the preference of a slow and quiet lifestyle. The first few months of moving here, seeing my friends doing exciting stuff on their timeline, made me think my life was boring. While obviously I don't blame social media fully for making me insecure, but being constantly exposed to it still made me question my own happiness and satisfaction of my life, especially when I go online and I get a sense that everyone I know is more successful and happier than I am. It sometimes casts a shadow of doubt on the path that I chose to follow. With time, I realized that it's important to involve myself with online communities that add inspiration, value, education, and creativity in my life. An online community that I felt I belonged to, that have shared goals and inspiration. An online community that empowers people to embrace who they are and who they want to be, and to accept that everyone's timelines and posts are different. We shouldn't be preoccupied in comparing other people's lives and lifestyle and being judgy. Instead, we should realize that whatever we have in our life is golden. By featuring a bit of my family life and home on this channel, most of which are happier days that are calm, relaxing, and peaceful, there are definitely days that have difficult moments that I don't share, that I consider private moments. And because I consider this channel to be about inspiring people, I will keep sharing moments of happiness, moments of peace, moments of wins, moments to keep you on the path to attaining your goal. And for me to inspire people is to make videos when I'm motivated and enjoying life here. would like to thank and appreciate all of you, and I hope you're all doing well and cherishing whatever chapter of your life you're currently on. I do believe there's much peace and love in this jungle of a world we live in. Good morning, good afternoon, good night.